All right, we're walking down to Harbor Freight so we can get not the special tool, but we're gonna get a tool that's gonna fix this thing. And we're gonna prove to you right now on YouTube, you can replace the shifter cable without the special tool. We're doing it right now.
Well, the video today, or the video for you guys, is changing a shift cable bellows, which that's the shift cable bellows right in there. Two different ways of doing it. You can take the outdrive off, pull all that stuff out of there, disconnect from the engine, pull it all out of there, and then put the boot on, put everything back in. Or you can feed that out of there just like it is after disconnecting from the engine and slowly working it away out. Now, we did a combination of both. We took the outdrive off just to look in and see what was going on, and then we worked it, took the cable out, and then worked this all out. And you'll see that video, little bits and pieces of all that. It's quite a job. It's about $700 if you have it done, because it's about 3-4 hours. But we tore into it and got it. We did find, after getting all in here, that the gimbal bearing is definitely you know, in need of a new one, but we're going to wait on it and try and do it in the spring. Now, what happened is this shifting cable bellows was all rotted, and what it was doing is letting water in there, and then we were getting water on the inside of the engine into the bilge, slowly leaking. So we couldn't really do any overnights because we had to kind of run the bilge pump, you know, quite frequently. So it had to be replaced. So we tore into that. So that's what's coming here next. Into that groove, got to be in forward gear.
Alright, I got it.
We got to do something with these.
Wait, I got these.
Alright, just lay it down for now.
Okay. So confused. Is that you or me?
There you guys, spray this in there.
Oh boy.
Spray that in there. Here then.
Okay. And then we got to take it out from under there and pull it through.
Like magic.
Apparently.
The shift cable.
Fuck. All right. Well, now I'm bleeding. Dad was bleeding here yesterday. Now I'm bleeding here. I don't know why.
That's what it gets. All right.
Anyway, we are working on the boat again. We fed the shifter cable through this way. Instead of taking this bolt off, we just left it completely on and we just fed it. So we're gonna replace that. It's hard to see with the camera, but we're gonna replace that bellows now, and then we're gonna feed this back through.
Was there light on it?
I don't think so. I think they saw it once I got it all up in there. And then we gotta put it back on, feed it around that way, and then attach it again there. Theoretically, that should be it.
You got to go on like that all the way back up into there, and then we'll get it all put into place once I get the other one up. But you're going to have to take
that off.
Take that off. You're going to have to grease all this and get that in there and everything without ruining it. Because that's all got to go back in.
Good luck. Oops.
Let's see here, I guess.
I can pour hot water onto it too if we need to. Oh, well, I don't know if that would be a good idea actually.
Yeah.
I dump a little hot water on top of that rubber part. Probably won't hurt it on this side like that. I just don't want it to get inside of it and screw it up. Is it going?
Just a minute, it's...
It wants to freaking go.
Oh!
Ooh, nice.
Oh, yeah,
now that I turned the camera on. Okay, that's done. All right, we got it in. We put the clamp on it. Look at how beautiful. Oh my God, so beautiful. Gosh. Here, I'll never.
That's gonna go there. Let's see here.
Oh, fuck.
Get that up there. Okay.
And then this goes in there?
Yeah.
Oh, yep.
Oh, you just ruined that blue shirt so bad.
I don't care. Okay, let's get the fin. Alright. We need more, get some more
Okay, hold,
wood.
you got it?
Rest this on here, then you can make sure everything lines up so you don't fuck it up.
Right. Something on the inside, maybe?
Okay.
You want me to sit?
Yeah, me and
Okay.
Corinne's gonna lift it up.
Okay.
You're gonna turn the prop, it's gonna go that way.
The opposite way that I have it. Okay.
Gonna go against the, and then that's gonna line up.
Counterclockwise.
Yep, turn it a little bit now.
Okay. Turn it a little more, maybe?
Yeah, a little more.
Okay.
There you go.
There we go.
Yep.
Woo! I'm recording.
Glad we watched YouTube.
Woo! All right, we got it to work. We're probably gonna put the boat in maybe tomorrow, see, make sure everything works well, but we got it fixed without the special tool, so that's very exciting. So thank you guys all for watching that video. Let me know if you like those little how-to videos and, you know, watching Dad fixing stuff, because that's always kind of, it's nice to learn something. So let me know in the comments below kind of what you thought, if you want us to do more of those kinds of how-to videos on what we're fixing and why and when and stuff like that. But I'm gonna leave you guys here, so thank you guys all for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Much love. Subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.